I met my soul in the flight of the bird, and sure enough my wings they grew. It said, "Your head may be in the clouds, Minnie, but keep a bird's eye view." Don't let the expectation of the world, my child, clip the wings from your back. Summon the woman who is strong-willed and wild to soar high above the coves and the cracks. I wanted to fly and glide and float, to be free from the small village ways, but my mother slapped me down, so I was bound to the farm, resigned to my cage. When I worked the land and I sang with the birds, land girl life offered me more than a yield. I worked hard in the sun, us women were strong, but there, above the fields. Those planes, those mechanical birds, gliding, spiralling and buzzing over the sea. The career I envisioned, such adrenaline, precision. My heart skipped in my ripped dungarees. But mother got worse as the war got better, especially as he wait for my father's stretched on. And when she received that telegram letter, my wings, they were truly gone. The farm, once our pride and joy, was too expensive to keep. But when I met Rabbit, the lambing boy, I could feel my engine heart rumble and leap. He was poetic, a drifter, lagged in shit, and he spent all his days in the clouds. He roamed round the land like the rabbits, and like me, he beat himself down. Sometimes he'd return with a dinner, sometimes with nothing at all. And his father, just like my mother, would make Rabbit feel ever so small. My mother had buried her husband, and I had to bury my dreams. We needed money, she needed a lady, and she thought my ideas were unclean. Rabbit and I were gifted with child, but he was sent away till she was born. I didn't care for the embarrassment. I joined him to ride out the storm. We moved into old Nethcarenza, and it was filled with love, dancing and plays. But once we made good and married each other, God took our baby Georgie away. I realised that the ocean was much like the sky, and in those turquoise silky swathes, the silent sea carried me every morning down Housel Bay.